Hi there, I'm Sarah Shia, Director of Alliances and Go-to-Market at Logitech. We're here live at Zoomtopia 2023. I'm really excited to show you one of our newest innovations. So if you look at Zoom Workspace Reservation, the ability to be able to book spaces, rooms, and desks in the office, we've got a great companion device to that. So we're all used to joining our Zoom meetings at home, but what about when you come into the office? How can you be just as productive? Well, we're introducing the Logi Dock Flex. So this is a great solution, so we can go ahead and be able to see whether this desk is available or not, and be able to see who has booked it for the day. And you can come in here and be able to easily scan the QR code to check in. And the beautiful thing about Logi Dock Flex is it is a docking station. So you'll see on the back here, we've got all of your cables and peripherals plugged in. So when you plug in your laptop with one single cable, you get access to the display, the webcams, all the peripherals like mice and keyboards at the desk, so you can be just as productive in the office as you were at home. And the great thing is that IT can lock this down so nobody walks off with a webcam without you knowing, and then gets alerts if there are any webcams that do get disconnected. So a great way for IT to know that desks are set up for the next person and also get insights about desk utilization in the office. So really extending that freedom to collaborate no matter whether you're joining your Zoom meetings at home or in the office. If you want to find out more, come check out logitech.com/Zoom. That's the new logic of work.